What if I told you your closest friend might be your greatest threat? In the game of power, loyalty blinds, and betrayal often comes from where you least expect it. Welcome back to Your Alter Ego, where we decode the hidden truths of power, strategy, and human nature. Today, we unpack Law 2 from the 48 Laws of Power. Never put too much trust in friends. Learn how to use enemies. Friends mean well, but that's exactly the problem. We hire them, partner with them, confide in them, assuming loyalty. But often, friends expect special treatment, get jealous of your rise, struggle to stay objective. And worst of all, when they betray you, it's personal. Enemies, on the other hand, have something to prove. They're cautious, calculated, and if you turn an enemy into an ally, their loyalty is earned, not assumed. Michael III of Byzantium trusted his childhood friend Basil completely. He gave him power, status, even made him co-emperor. But once Basil tasted power, he killed Michael in his sleep and took the throne. It was not hate, but closeness, resentment, and ambition that drove betrayal. Contrast that with Abraham Lincoln, who famously filled his cabinet with political rivals, people who once tried to defeat him. Why? Because he knew they would challenge him, keep him sharp, and work harder to prove themselves. In startups, leadership, or business, don't confuse friendship with fitness for the role. Instead, hire for merit, not comfort. Test loyalty through results, not words. Don't fear your critics, engage with them. They offer perspective, sharpen your vision, and if you win them over, they often become your fiercest supporters. This doesn't mean cut out your friends, but don't hand them power blindly. Remember, emotions cloud judgment, and power demands clarity. Be careful, though. Using enemies without understanding their true motives can backfire. Turning every relationship into a strategic move can make you cold and transactional, and paranoia can isolate you. The key is not distrust, but disciplined trust. Earn it, test it, and always be ready for the unexpected. Power isn't personal, it's structural. Law 2 teaches us to separate emotion from judgment, to see people not as friends or enemies, but as players in a game. The wise learn from both. So, who are you trusting right now, and why? Want more truths they never teach in school? Hit like, subscribe, and follow Your Alter Ego. And if you're curious about Law 3, find the link below. It might just change how you see everyone around you.